Hello guys, welcome to learn Chinese. Here we are. 这个星球叫地球。这个 this 星球 means planet. This planet 叫 called 地球 is Earth. So this planet is called Earth. 鸡妈妈高兴地叫起来。鸡 here as a surname, but it has a meaning like chicken. So I have a mother, so her surname is G. 高兴 means happy. If we use the after a verb, we probably mostly use adjective. So it's kinda adverb. But after adjective, if we use the, it means that my mother happy that 叫起来 means cried. So it means my mother so happy that he cried or he screamed. The 叫了起来. So there was something here. So 叫了起来 guys cried, screamed. 叫闹了. So what he's saying now means take. So he said it's taken, it's took, or it's taken. We can say we don't know the text here. 回来的路上, 回来 means come back. So the road, the comeback road when they're coming back. 儿子 the son, 对妈爸爸说, telling or saying to his father. 爸爸 father, 我累了, I am tired. 我们坐去吧. We'll get on the bus. 坐去 means get on the bus. 儿子说 the son is saying, 爸爸也3岁. My father is also 3 years old. 儿子说 the son is saying, sugar 10. There is something or there are many things we don't know what's that. So 儿子说 the son is saying 10 of them. 妹妹说 younger sister is saying 是的 yes. 我的第一次和最后一次. 我的第一次 means first time. It's my first time. And 最后 means last. And the last time. Probably she tried something and she didn't like it. So she is saying, this is my first time and it's last time. So I don't try it again. 儿子说 the son is saying, 我知道爸爸 I know father. 他们说 they are saying, 就在我们身后. There is something and that one is at 我们 we. 身 means body, 后 means back. So that is just at our back, our behind. 我说 I am saying 知道了 I know, I knew, or I understand. Also you can say 最后一句说最后 the end of the line we can say, or the back, there is someone back of the class maybe. He is sure saying 星星还说 there is a child and his name is 星星. So 星星 is saying 不认识 means no, 不认识 means don't know, I don't know. 星星还说 again, 星星 is saying 能 means can. 小汽车说 汽车 normally means bus, but I took this sentence from stories, so here also the car can speak. So the small car is saying 星 means yes or okay. 好说 means guys no problem. 好说 男孩子说 the son, the boy is saying 我不知道 means no, 我不知道 I don't know. 点点说 点点 here is a name. So 点点 is saying 这里真好 这里 means here. 真 really, 好 means good. Here is really good. Shu means name, is surname here. Yisheng means doctor. Shu doctor, Xiang Le Xiang. If you see Xiang Le Xiang or Xiang Yi Xiang or Xiang Yi Xia, here Xiang means think. So Xiang Le Xiang. So the doctor is taught about something and sure say. Mama对男孩说. Mother is saying to boy. 男孩 means boy. 我说 B 就 B. 我说 I am saying B 就 B. Guys, I checked on the translation, but I couldn't find anything about B 就 B. But normally we use B in the comparative sentence. For example, 我比你大. I am older than you. Something like that. Mama 对爸爸说. My mother is saying to my father. 爸爸妈妈一起说. My father and mother is saying together. 一起 means together. 天哪 means oh my god. 不要说了. Don't say. 我一说我也想去. I'm saying I am also want to go. 想 here want. 爸爸妈妈说 My father and mother is saying. 妞说对.妞 is a name here. 妞 is saying correct. 对 means correct. 妞说我也不知道. Again, 妞 saying 我也 I am also 不知道 don't know. 孩子爸爸说道. 孩子爸爸 here means the child's father. Here we don't have to put the. For example, 我的爸爸 my father, or you can say 我爸爸. This meaning also my father. So here there is no the, but you can easily understand. 孩子的爸爸 the child's father. 说道 means speak, also say. 他说 she is saying oh no 我不要你们的钱. I don't want 你们的 yours 钱 means money. I don't want yours money. 他吃了几口说不好吃. 他吃了 he ate 几口 a few. 口 normally means mouth, but here it's a major word and bite. He took a few bites. There is something to eat, so he tasted and sure say 不好吃. 好吃 means it's delicious. 不好吃 means it's not delicious. 这地方不错. 他说这地方 means place. This place 不错 means good. So she is saying this place is good. 是开欢送会的时候了. 老师说. 老师 means teacher. Teacher is saying. There it's a 是的sentence. So this one 时候 means time. 开会 if you say 开会 it's open a meeting. And 欢送 means farewell. So there is a farewell party and 开 means open. So it's the time to open and get started farewell party. And the teacher is saying this sentence. 欢说 欢 here is a name. 欢 is saying 我口渴 here thirsty. I'm thirsty. 想喝点水 想 want I want. 喝 means drink. 点 little 水 means water. I want to drink little water. 说着就要做 说着 is saying 就要做 I just want to. 做 means live. I just want to. He is saying want to live. 老二说 the second child is saying 就 去지우去.去 means go, but I also checked this one on the translation, but I couldn't find anything reasonable. But for example, it's just my opinion. You are a naughty boy and you are always saying and treating me like I wanna go, and I'm saying you choose. If you want to go, let's go, just go. But I'm not sure, it's probably not correct, so you can ask your Chinese friends. Here we are, Jijie Shuo. My elder sister is saying Mei Mei, younger sister. Lao Er Shuo, again the second child's saying Budi, not correct. Shuojie 走到船前. Shuojie, if you see jia after verb and if another verb comes here, it's like while. So he is, 走到 means walk and arrive, 船 means bed, 前 means front. So he arrived to the bed while he is speaking, while he's talking. Okay guys, in next video we will start from this sentence. I hope this video, this kind of videos can help you. If you have any questions, you can ask on comment section. See you guys, bye bye.